Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use WhatsApp on Android tablet. In this following video I will be showing you the basic guide on how you can use WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. So then let us get started. As soon as you create your account on WhatsApp, so the interface kind of look like this. Once you're done creating your account, next you'll need to add participant in order to text them or in order to communicate with the other person. So for that, what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the circle icon which is right at the bottom. As you tap on it, on the other page you can see there are a list of contacts. So these are all the contacts that is saved on your device. So from here, in order to text them, all you have to do is tap on the username or the contact name. Next, the chat page loads. Now in case if you want to send message, just send a text, what you have to do is you'll simply have to tap on the message bar which is right at the bottom, and once you do that, the keyboard loads. So from here you'll have to type in the message. So once you're done typing in the message, tap on the circle arrow icon which is right in the corner, and over here you can see that the message has been sent. So while typing in your message, and in case you want to show your expressions or in case you want to show your emotions, what you can do is you can add emojis as well. So for that, what you have to do is you simply have to tap on the smiley icon which is in the top left corner just next to the space bar. Just tap on it, and over here you can see that you have a multiple option. Now you can swipe towards your left hand side and you will find a lot of option, and in order to select it or in order to send it, all you have to do is tap on it and then do the same process. Tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner, and over here you can see that the message as well as the emoji has been sent. So the next step is if you want to make a call, so there are two different options. You can either make video call or you can make an audio call. Now in case if you want to make a video call, you can see in the top right corner there are three different options. So right in the first option you can see there is an icon of video call, and then you can contact the person through video chat. In case if you want to make an audio call, all you have to do is tap on the call icon which is right in the center, and that is how you can make call. For now, let us assume that in case if you want to send images or picture to this following person, so what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the camera icon which is in the lower right corner. Once you do that, the camera loads. Also, you can take the picture over here itself, and in case if you want to select it from the gallery itself, all you have to do is tap on the icon which is in the bottom left corner, and you can see that these are all the images that is currently on my device. So in case if you want to send multiple picture at one particular time, what you have to do is you'll have to long press on one particular image. Once you long press on one particular image, tap on the images that you want to send it to this person. You can see that these are the images that is being selected. So let me remind you that you'll only be able to send 30 picture at one particular time. So once you're done selecting the images, tap on the circle tick icon which is right in the corner. You can see that the images has been selected, and what you have to do is you'll have to tap on the arrow icon which is in the corner. You can see that the images has been sent. So next is in case if you have to send contact information. So what you have to do is you can see right at the bottom just next to the space bar there is a paperclip icon. Just tap on it. Once you do that, there's a pop-up. So from here you'll have to select on any one of these following options. So for now, let us take if you want to send a contact information, tap on contact. So in case if you want to send somebody else's number to this following person, so tap on the contact name, and also you can select multiple contact at one particular time, and once you're done, tap on the arrow icon which is in the lower right corner. Once again, do the same process, tap on the arrow icon, and right at the bottom you can see this following person's contact has been sent. Another most important guide for beginner is that in case you want to block or unblock the contact. So what you have to do is in order to block this following contact, you'll have to tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner. Once you do that, from the drop down menu, tap on more, and once you tap on more, on the other page you can see on the second option there is block. Tap on block. You can see that this following person has been blocked, and now he or she will not be able to contact you. In case if you want to unblock it, do the same process, that is tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner and then tap on more from the drop down menu, and then tap on unblock which is in the second step. This following person has been unblocked, and now he or she will be able to contact you or you will be able to contact them. So these are the basic guide for beginner. That is how you can use WhatsApp on Android. And that is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.